Dear students, good morning. So today we will start a revision for your EVS lesson number 9, water. So in this lesson we will learn about sources of water and why we need a water. Yes, we need a water to live in our all living things. So we use water for many activities like drinking, brushing, bathing, washing, cleaning, watering plants and cooking also. And we learnt also sources of water. So what are the sources of water? Yes, rain, pond, lake, river, well. Rain, pond, lake, river, well. So these are all sources of water. But the main sources of water is rain. So rain is the main sources of water. Some other sources of water are rain, pond, lake, river and well. Okay. So and we are also learnt about how to save the water. Okay, we will save the water for container and a bottle also. Okay, so there is a classroom activity. Okay, first one is, let us see one by one. First one, answer the following questions. First question is, does water have any color? Yes, does water have any color? So answer is, the water does not have any color. Already you know about water does not have any color, any taste and any shape also. Okay. Next, does water have any color? Answer is, the water does not have any color. Next, second one is, name the main source of water. Yes, what is the main source of water? Yes, rain is the main source of water. Answer is, rain is the main source of water. Dear students, you don't have no more time. As soon come to the exam. So you more practice in these questions particularly. Okay, what we will revision for in these sessions. So you more practice these questions. Okay. Next, yesterday's also in our previous class we will discuss about food lesson, that lesson activities. So now water in this lesson activities. Okay. Next, second one, which of the following activities require water? Put a tick or a cross correctly. Okay. So first one, which activities require water? So you will put a right mark. And which activities not require water? So you will put a wrong mark. Okay. So swimming. So swimming, these activities also require water. So you will put a right mark on this box. Next, reading. No, this activity is not require water. Okay. So you will put a wrong mark on this box. Next, painting. Yes, do you know about children? This activity is require water. Yes, this activity is require water. So you will put a right mark on this box. Next, cleaning the car. So this activity is also require water. So you will put a right mark on this box. Boiling eggs. So this is also require water. Okay. So you will write a, so you will put a right mark. Riding a boat. Yes, this is also require water. So you will put a right mark. Sailing paper boat. So this activity is also require water. So you will put a right mark. Next, playing football. So this activity is not require water. So I will put a wrong mark on this box. flying a kite. So this activity is also not require water. So I will put a wrong mark on that box. Okay. So once again we will repeat: swimming, painting, cleaning the car, boiling eggs, riding a boat, sailing paper boats. So these activities are require water. Okay. So next, reading and playing football and flying a kite. So these activities not require water. So that's why we will put a wrong mark on that particular boxes. Okay. Yes, can you understand? So next, in the next lesson, lesson number 10, clothing. We will also revision for this lesson also. Okay. So clothing, in this lesson we will learn about seasons. Okay. So there are three main seasons. So one is summer season. There are three main seasons in our country. So one is summer season, and second one is winter season, and third one is rainy season. Okay. In the summer season, the days are also hot and dry. We are also wear cotton cloths, and to keep ourselves, that cotton cloths help us to keep ourselves cool. So that clothes are made of cotton. So we get the cotton from the cotton plants. Next, winter season. So winter season is also the day and night is are cold days. Okay. So on that days we are also wear woolen cloths. So that woolen cloths made of wool. So that woolen cloths keep our body warm. So we get wool from the sheep. Okay. So next, rainy season. So in that days also called the monsoon season. Okay. So on that days we are also wear raincoats, rubber boots. So raincoats and rubber boots also help us to keep ourselves dry. And raincoats are made up of rubber or plastic. Okay. And we are also carrying umbrellas. So that umbrellas to protect ourselves from the rain. Okay. So these are all three main seasons in our country. So next, special clothes are also we wear. Like policeman wear a police dress, chef wear a chef uniform, and pilot wear that particular uniform. Sister also wear that particular uniform. So these are all special uniforms. Okay. So we will learn about in these topics, particularly in this lesson. So there is a classroom activity. So let us see one by one. First one is fill in the blanks. The clothes we wear differ according to the dash. The clothes wear differ according to the seasons. So you will write about seasons. So next, in the dash season, the days are hot and dry. Yes. Do you know about, dear children? So which season the days are hot and dry? Yes, summer season. So we will write about summer season. So next, we get wool from dash. So we get wool from sheep. Fourth one is the rainy season is also called the dash season. So the rainy season is also called the monsoon season. So you will write about monsoon. Next, raincoats are made of dash or dash. So raincoats are made of rubber or plastic. So you will write about rubber or plastic. So next, match the following. Given A column and B column. So we will match the A column and B column. Okay. So first one, rainy season. So raincoats. We wear in the rainy season we wear a raincoat. So you will match this letter. Okay. Letter C. Next, summer season also we wear a cotton cloths. So you will match letter A. Next, winter season. We are also wear woolen cloths on that days. So you will match letter B. Okay. Next, answer the following. First question is, what are the three main seasons in our country? Yes, already you know about the three main seasons in our country. They are summer, winter and rainy season. Okay. Once again we will repeat. The three main seasons in our country, they are summer, winter and rainy season. So second one is, where do we get cotton from? Yes, answer is we get cotton from the cotton plants. Okay, so we get cotton from the cotton plants. Next, third question is, what clothes do we wear during winter? Yes, answer is we wear wool cloths during winter. Okay, we wear wool cloths during winter season. Next, fourth one is, how do we keep ourselves dry in the rainy season? So answer is we wear raincoat and rubber boots. Keep ourselves dry in the rainy season. Okay, we wear raincoat and rubber boots to keep ourselves dry in the rainy season. Next, fifth question is, which is your favorite season? Yes, answer is my favorite season is rainy season. So I will write about your favorite season, because some members like a rainy season and some members like a summer season and some members like a winter season. So which season your favorite season? So you will write about on that season. Okay. Okay. So in these lessons today we will discuss about water and clothing. So we will practice about in these lessons activities, question answer and say the right or wrong statements, fill in the blanks and answer the following questions. Particularly practice about these activities. Okay, thank you.